Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the basics: clean, lubricate, and position. Once done, warm the muscle with light movement or heat so the scraper glides. This prevents abrasion and eases tissue release. Make sure you apply 2 drops of massage oil across the treatment zone for consistent contact. Hold the stainless steel scraper at a shallow angle, about 20-30 degrees, so you engage fascia rather than digging into muscle. Begin with gentle strokes along the muscle fiber direction to assess sensitivity before increasing pressure. Now you perform the core technique with control and intent. Use 5-10 centimeter strokes, 3 to 6 passes per spot, observing tissue response between passes so you don't overwork it. Once you detect tight bands, slow down and apply slightly more pressure while keeping that 20-30 degree angle. This targets adhesions without causing microtrauma. Make sure to work distal to proximal when reducing swelling versus following fibers when breaking adhesions. Vary stroke speed and pressure. Listen to feedback from the person receiving treatment. To finish, you downregulate. Switch to light, broad strokes for a minute to calm circulation and evaluate mobility gains. Once done, wipe excess oil and sanitize the stainless steel scraper to prevent contamination. If you see prolonged redness, excessive pain, or swelling, apply ice or compression and decrease pressure on future sessions. Those are signs you exceeded tissue tolerance. Make sure to document the area treated, pressure used, and the client's response so you can safely progress next time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.